Hi, I'm Jonathan Goldman, and it is my pleasure to introduce you to a brand new set of tuning forks that I developed called the Intention Enhancers. I'd like to show you just very simply how to use them. When you're using the Intention Enhancer tuning forks, it's really important that you hold them by the stems, and you hold them firmly but loosely so that they feel like it's almost like holding chopsticks or something like that. If you hold them too firmly, they just won't sound. But if you hold them together like this and then hit them against something solid, such as the Healing Sounds resonator that we provide with these kits, or you can use your knees or even the floors, and you hit them together, and then you bring them up to your ears, and notice that I kept them about 2 inches away from my ears. It's important not to get too close when you're working on yourself or with someone else. And here is a little secret that really seems to be quite powerful. It's called cross-lateralization. You hit the 2 tuning forks together, bring them up to your ears, and then bring them around like this. This is something you can only do with tuning forks, which is changing the sound from one ear to the other. And it really affects your nervous system, your aura, and all sorts of different things. It's quite extraordinary. So that's one way of working with the Intention Enhancer tuning forks.